Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Info 101, and today we will talk about which is the best life insurance policy for me or for you. The table below is a guide on how to choose life insurance and which is the best life insurance policy in certain scenarios and the types of financial commitments that can be covered. On my left side it is the type of life insurance policy, and on my right side who this type of life insurance is best for. And number one is level term insurance, ideal for those with interest only mortgage, those where the need for cover remains constant, useful for inheritance tax, ist mitigation, or cover for parents until their children are no longer dependent. Number two, decreasing term insurance. Ideal for protecting a repayment mortgage or a scenarios where the level of cover decreases over time. Number three, increasing term insurance. Providing a lump sum that will keep pace with the inflation if the lump sum is to be used to buy an asset. Number four, convertible term insurance. Those requiring flexibility to convert from a term life insurance to whole of life insurance in the future. This type of policy is rarely used. Renewable term insurance, where someone has a temporarily need, say 10 years, that may extend to provide the life cover while building assets that will be sufficient to replace it. Whole of life insurance, to clear an IHT bill on an estate or to provide a lump sum on death whenever that occurs. Over 50s life insurance, a policy usually taken out to cover funeral expenses and acceptance is guaranteed, meaning it is popular with those with a complex medical history. Family income benefit, ideal for looking after dependents using a regular income in the event of death. Otherwise, a level term policy would require them to make sure the lump sum payout lasts. Critical illness insurance, an expensive policy but worthwhile if you can afford the premiums. It pays out a lump sum if you have a serious illness like cancer or a heart attack, even if you make a full recovery. Joint life insurance, usually cheaper for couples and people who have a joint mortgage, but sometimes two single policies works out to be more cost efficient. How much life insurance do I need? There is no hard and fast rule. But how much life insurance policy you need? It should be enough to cover your outstanding mortgage and other debts as a minimum if you were to die. Ideally, it will also provide enough to replace some of your income for your dependents. You may want to check out another article. I will provide the link in description. If not, you can visit that website. If you are business owner, then the amount of life insurance should be enough to purchase an other equity diseased head in the business and the cost of sourcing a replacement employee. How much does life insurance cost? The cost of life insurance will depend on a number of factors, including sum insured, term of policy, age, medical history, and lifestyle. Policy can start as low as €5 per month. We have analyzed on our another article. You can go and read it. Obviously, the shorter the term and lower the sum assured, the lower the monthly premiums will be. Life insurance provides financial security at a time when you need it most. It does so at a cost that is within everybody's reach, and so some form of life cover is essential if you have a mortgage or family business. Monthly price of level term insurance over 20 years. Non-smokers. Age, life insurance that pays 2 lakh euros lump sum. Life insurance that pays 3 lakh euros lump sum. Age 25, 5.29, 6.54. Age 35, 8.61, 12.14. Age 45, 17.40, 25.47, age 55, 44.07, 66.03. Monthly price of a level term insurance over 20 years. Age 25, 7.70, 10.37, 35, 6.02, 22.16, age 45, 42.15 euro, 60.18 euro, age 55, 117.71, 177.45. Best life insurance companies. There is no one life insurance company that could be referred as the best life insurance company as such, but some are certainly better than others for each unique set of circumstances. We have analyzed over 500 life insurance quotes comparing prices for both smokers and non-smokers for 10 of the biggest life insurance providers. We looked at the life insurance quotes for 25, 35, 45 and 55 years old and analyzed the quotes based on 5 different levels of cover: 100k euro, 200k euro, 300k euro, 400k euro and 500k euro. We ranked each provider based on cost, ranking them from 1 to 10 for each age, range and level of cover. We totaled the number and came up with our top 10 displayed below. Remember that the top 10 is based on our own research and uses averaging, and so you should not use it to inform your buying decision as your circumstances may be different. Top 10 life insurance companies for smokers. Number 1, Vitality. Number 2, L&G. Number 3, Guardian. Number 4, Aegon. Number 5, Aviva. Number 6, AIG. Number 7, Zurich. Number 8, LV. Number 9, Scottish Widows. Number 10, Royal London. Top 10 life insurance companies for non-smokers. Number 1, L&G. Number 2, Vitality. Number 3, AIG. Number 4, Guardian. Number 5, Aegon. Number 6, Royal London. Number 7, Aviva. Number 8, Scottish Widows. Number 9, LV. And number 10, Zurich. Remember, each life insurance company will underwrite your application differently and will set your monthly payments in accordance with their internal risk management rules. Certain medical conditions, occupations, or even hobbies will be assessed more harshly by some life insurance companies than others, and it is difficult to work out which ones will be best for you. That is why I would always recommend that you speak to an independent insurance specialist such as LifeSearch. Simply click on the link and complete the short form and they will call you back at a time. Consumers are misled into thinking that the monthly premium that any price comparison site spits out is what they will end up paying. This is rarely the case, as each application is then assessed on its own merits, which is why the experts can match you with the insurance company that will view your application most favorably. They will also be able to guide you on the correct amount of cover for your own circumstances and provide advice on how to ensure your family doesn't pay on any tax on any of the proceeds. Get best life insurance for you. We have put together a guide on how to get the life insurance company, and you can visit the website moneytothemasses.com for your more information. Thanks a lot for watching the video. You can also subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Info 101.